How cool was that? Pretty interesting, right? Today I'm going to show you how you can make a video just like that you have seen earlier using match cut technique in Adobe Premiere Pro. So first you need to make sure that you have shoot your video correctly. If I just show you, this is the video clip that I have shoot for this demonstration. So the first one is that I'm just throwing back the match Rubik's Cube in the air and then I'm catching it. If I just play the next one, this is not matched. If you see, this is not a match Rubik's Cube. So this is the second clip that you need to shoot. Now we need to edit in Adobe Premiere Pro and we need to apply match cut. First, we need to make a new sequence. Just click and drag this clip on your timeline. It will make a sequence matching with the property of your video clip. Then just click and drag this second clip on your timeline. If I play it back, it will not look cool. First, I need to make sure that I'm starting from a correct point. I want to start from here. So I'm just making a cut here. Then I'm deleting this portion and I'm just triple deleting this space. If I just play it back, I'm throwing the Rubik's Cube and nothing is happening, right? So we need to cut here when the Rubik's Cube in the air, just like in this point. I'm just making a cut here. Then again, I'm deleting this portion. Now for the second clip, we need to cut a section that is matched with the previous one. So the previous one have been cut on this point and we need to make sure that the second clip starts from maybe here. So I'm just making a cut here. Then I'm deleting this portion. Now if I play it back, it will look cool, right? So here is a jump. To reduce the jump, you need to apply effect. Go to effects panel. If you don't see effects panel, go to window, then click effects, then go to video transition, and from the dissolve, select cross dissolve and click and drag this transition here. Now you can shorten the duration of this transition. Now if I play it back, it is looking cool, right? To make it more interesting, you can add sound effect and music just like this one. Here I have add a music and some sound effect that will make the overall video a little bit appealing. So that is all for today. I hope you have learned how you can use match cut to make cool video for TikTok, Instagram or Facebook story. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro or video editing, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.